time on Ghost Ship, we finished up a few projects before welcoming new veterans, then filled up with breakfast at the Breakfast Club 2, and got ready to take off. The lovely mermaid Christiane was kind enough to come down to the dock to see us off, wish us fair winds and following seas. We motored out of the Key West Harbor, waving goodbye to friends. Winds were very calm that day, so we did lots of motoring. But as you can see, there was time for fishing, plenty of dolphins to look at, and just sitting back and relaxing. We arrived in Fort Jefferson well after sunset that evening, dropping the anchor. The guys slept a little late next morning, but what a place to wake up. Swing in a hammock with the sunrise, calm seas at Fort Jefferson out in the middle of nowhere. How could you ask for any better? We got first group coming over from Ghost Ship to Wind on the morning of the 26th to have some breakfast. Then we were headed over toward the Windjammer shipwreck to break out the hookah rig that Dean Owen donated for these veterans to enjoy, and let me tell you, it was a big hit.
Took out snorkels and fins and a hookah rig and went diving on a shipwreck. Brain farting on the name of it. Windjammer, yeah. It's pretty cool. You see the different parts of the ship. You see the ribs, and there's an ironclad wood frame. You can see the wood ribs of the ship. You can see the mast. Lots of cool fish. I wanted to play with the fish, but the fish didn't want to play with me. Like, play with me, play with me. And they're like violence and calmness of it all. I always like being underwater. You know, I don't even hardly hear my tinnitus under there.
Man, had these sharks.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool seeing sharks.
You got a new friend? Yes, I do. Oh, this scallywag takes crabs. This scallywag has crabs.
I had the crabs today.
It's like he knows what he.
All right, who got hungry and ate part of the spatula? What did you do?
Don't say we left Key West 2 days ago, buddy.
We got a long way to go.
That was too easy. You gonna have.
Somebody polished the shit out of his.
I mean, you just opened the door on that one. I couldn't help myself.
I still can't believe that old man said this shit was.
For another,
Old man trying to polish knobs and shit and fight it. Yeah.
Well, you know, I mean, learning how to clean brass properly is important for maintaining a boat. You know, I mean,
Well, we weren't on a boat.
I know.
We were on land. So I don't really know what he was getting at.
Well, did you have a stay bright belt buckle, or did you have to polish?
Plus, I don't know what he was only because he was all in the
I got enough, bro.
Yeah, we gotta do it for the video.
Don't put it in the ketchup, man.
It'll taste like key lime.
Oh yeah.
Definitely.
Oh man, this tastes good. You brought this all the way from Kentucky, Reed?
Y'all enjoy the.
You know, there's no better time than spending this time with your fellow brothers. Just, you know, it was funny. I was videoing earlier. Yeah, I was videoing earlier, and there's a few guys out here throwing rocks, skipping them along, and it occurred to me, it's like, there's nothing simpler than like, you're 6 years old and you're skipping rocks out there. And, I mean, seriously, right?
We're having Dry Tortugas skipping rocks in the ocean, man. That's awesome.
Oh yeah, had a good day.
Can't get off this thing.
Dive. That was fun. Remembered how to free dive eventually, right at the end. I get pictures of the sunrises and sunsets. Got everyone so far this trip. I guess that means I'm not sleeping enough. You know, pretty awesome.
Oh man, today was a pretty good day. Went out here probably about 5 miles and dove a wreck. Pretty awesome. See some sharks, barracudas. Still here at Fort Jefferson. I think we're going to take off in the morning about daylight, heading towards Mexico. We're ready. All of us pumped up.
Did anybody get to see anything special at all today?
Shark.
Baby shark?
Don't sing it. Don't.
It was about this big, you know, so it was probably baby shark. Come on, everybody. Oh, he missed it by that much.
Oh, that was good.
Do it again.
On the next episode, when we reach Isla Mujeres, Mexico, clear customs, take a golf cart ride around town, seeing the sights, eating at some fabulous restaurants, and the guys just enjoying themselves. Until next time, Captain Peary out. See you soon.